Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. DSM and Hyper-Backup must be updated and the target storage reachable. Next, open Hyper-Backup and click Create to begin a new task. Choose your destination type and authenticate with credentials immediately so you don't interrupt flow. Once done, select shared folders and system configuration you want to include. Make sure to prioritize critical shares first. This initiates the job creation and schedules. You'll see options for rotation and encryption. Set them now to avoid later rework. Once the job is created, configure the detailed options. Enable encryption if security matters and choose compression to save space. You'll also pick rotation policy, smart recycle or custom retention, and set precise schedules so backups run during low-load windows. Make sure to enable application-aware backup for databases and checkboxes for system config to capture settings. If you need automation, add pre- or post-backup scripts now. Finally, run a manual test backup to validate file selection, transfer speed. To finish, verify backups by performing a test restore of a representative folder. This confirms integrity and restore steps. You should monitor logs and transfer statistics right after a run. Look for failed file counts or timeout warnings and address them promptly. If issues occur, first check permissions and credential validity, then network connectivity and destination storage health. Make sure rotation didn't purge needed versions. One key troubleshooting tip: rerun with increased logging and an immediate manual restore to isolate permission versus network failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.